So I get excited when different passions of mine collide, and in this case, I have something pretty special right here. This is Fangamer and Cyan Worlds, their Myst LP set. It was just released on April 20th. I think it is sold out in like a day and a half, maybe 2 days. And I was lucky to pick one up, so we're gonna do an unboxing. And yes, I'm sitting on my floor in our living room because it's one of the few spaces or angles in the house that is not destroyed by children right now. But yeah, let's dig into this. I'm excited to share it with you. So one of the cool things about this is that I live in Spokane, and this was composed in Spokane by Robyn Miller. And according to the blurb that I read online, he did artwork for this and compiled this. So I am really excited to see what he came up with. So it's composed here in town because Cyan was founded by Robyn and his brother here in town. All right. That's nice. Some Fangamer swag. Fangamer.com. Lots of really cool stuff there, actually. Little sticker, some cards in there. I know you probably don't care about all this, but yeah, that's kind of cool. Nice. All right, here it is. LP. Oh, that's right. They said they put the dust jacket separately. Uh-oh. Well, be careful that you don't get your tape on the dust jacket here. But as you can see from the light here, it's embossed. It has the different ages. Oh man, that's cool. That's really cool. And so the idea is original soundtrack by Robyn C. Miller, 2021. Alright, so we'll put that on here a little bit later. But let's get into the actual discs here. So artwork on the front, and then the tracks there on the back, including, so when you buy this, you get digital downloads and was it like wave format, FLAC, and I think another one. But the only one that you don't get on the download is this one right here. So the audio trial age 4, which they says, and they even put in the writing here, after remaining archives for almost 30 years, this is the first public release of Atrus's 3-minute audio recording within the Starry Expanse. That's cool. All right. Shrink wrap here. Looks like this got bent a little bit too in the mail there. Thank you, U.S. Postal Service. That's what happens, I guess, with media mail. All right, so open it up. Oh wow, that's cool. So it looks like a map here, and this is all kind of like a glossy part. Nice. All right, now there's 2 discs in here. That's beautiful. Has some quotes of Atrus about about some of the ages. Nice. These kind of look like these look like 3D renders. It says in the palm-sized volume, Atrus chronicled some of the events in the early years growing up with Anna and later traveling to the abandoned Denis underground. Hopefully the discs won't be damaged. That's the most important part, right? Wow, that's beautiful. I don't know if you can see how kind of translucent it is. Put it in front of that there, yeah. They call it like a red marble. So there's a red one and a blue one. So we got side A and side B. And if I'm looking closely, I wonder if this is, they said there might be some hidden stuff in here. Maybe it's just me, but it looks like there might be a groove in the center. So I know Jack White and the White Stripes, in his album, what was it? I want to say Rigoletto, it's not Rigoletto. But he did an album where it was kind of experimental, where it had grooves. There were two different speeds, speed for each side, and then there was actually a hidden groove inside in the center there. That was like a 78 or something, but. The audio trial 31. This is the text for it right here. And it says, in an effort to stay true to historical veracity of this recording, we present it with its faults and tack. It's beautiful. Oh, that's awesome. Here's the blue one. So Fangamer is in Tucson, Arizona. And I don't know if these are being pressed in Tucson or if Fangamer, if they contract out. But there's a little fleck there. But yeah, I'll put these two side by side. And they do ship at media mail, and mine took about 4 or 5 days to get up to Spokane here from Arizona. But yeah, there you go. That's the 2 discs. So that's it, pretty simple unboxing. I'm going to take these down to the record player and let's listen to a little bit of music and see if there's anything on here, if it's just the way it's designed on the paper. Well, it's not the fanciest of record players, but you know, kids. I'm curious. I want to see if there's something on the middle there to see if there's anything. Probably not. Oh. No, I think it's just the paper, the way that the paper looks. No. All right. And now the track. That's pretty cool because there's nothing else on the side except for that track. Now it's not really hidden track, but the LP exclusive track.
This is audio trial 31, page 4. Even though from the trials is closing, this age is unstable. It will soon collapse. Just like flowers. The candidates stand the aperture, which is recording device.
That's cool. I'm not going to play too much of that because I don't want to ruin it for everybody, but that's pretty cool. Well, that wraps up my unboxing for the Myst / Cyan / Fangamer LP, and yeah, this is pretty special. Out of all the, you know, kind of the Myst collectibles that I've seen over the years, you know, there's usually t-shirts, posters, mouse pads, that kind of thing, but the linking book was really cool when they did the linking book. But this, I don't know, there's something special about this. I mean, I've listened to the soundtrack so much over the years. I mean, if you played the game in the 90s, like, it's ingrained in your soul. Like, you know, hearing this music, and it just brings it back all the nostalgia. But, you know, listening to it on LP for the first time was pretty special. Like, it really gave me, you know, kind of Blade Runner vibes, you know, Vangelis soundtrack, you know, which you know, of all the times I've listened to the soundtrack, I've never gotten that feeling about it, which is pretty cool. And yeah, it's pretty special. Congratulations to yeah, Robyn Miller and yeah, the whole Cyan team, and yeah, everyone at Cyan that put this together, and Fangamer down there in Tucson. Yeah, this is really well done, and it feels special, and it is special. And I'm, yeah, really excited to have as part of my LP collection, and also my my Myst collection. So good work, guys. And yeah, they're doing, you can't currently buy this right now, but they are doing another pressing of it. So they don't have pre-orders, but yeah, go to follow their Twitter for Fangamer or Cyan. They'll both post about it when the next pressing is ready to go, and then you can order it. So, all right, well, thank you for watching. See you later. You know, one of the things that just occurred to me while I have both of these LPs in my hand is, did the Matrix get the red pill or the blue pill from Myst? You want the red pill or the blue pill? Never thought about that before, but holding both the LPs.